Recording GPS data during open water swims can be tricky since signals can't travel through water and the watch gets submerged. Here are some tips to get the best GPS accuracy while swimming. Syncing with either the Garmin Connect app or Garmin Express program will allow the watch to obtain the latest satellite position information, resulting in a faster signal lock. Waiting an additional minute or two before jumping into the water allows the watch to triangulate your current position further. Depending on form and breathing pattern, it may be best to place the watch on the opposite wrist. Avoid strokes like the breaststroke and swimming underwater. If you stop swimming, keep the watch above the surface of the water and stop the activity timer. Try not to hold the watch underwater for more than 3 to 5 seconds. Enabling a secondary satellite constellation allows for your watch to acquire a satellite fix more quickly, and can help maintain satellite connection while swimming in open water. For the absolute best GPS data, one option is to wear the watch in a swim cap or to tow it in a dry bag that rides on the surface of the water. Note, wrist-based data such as wrist heart rate and stroke rate will be unavailable if the watch is not on the wrist. These tips can help you get more accurate GPS data when recording your open water swim. Thanks for watching. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.